challenges. It's a brand new game and a brand new world, new rivals. As you fight for survival, nothing can stop you, Diamond and Pearl. Come on, it's all about the battle. You gotta play smart, you gotta move faster. Behind every win, there's a chance to begin again. You gotta take it all if you wanna be a master. Now here we go, we're on the road and you can't stop us now. You better believe whatever.
What's up, folks? Alright. Tonight we're gonna draw Gush from Yokai Watch 2. This yokai is really rare. You ever thought about why your nose bleeds? This guy's responsible for that. Not only that, but for air conditioners and paint. And finished. That's how you draw Gush. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.